Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you know what meditation is? What effect does it have on the body? Why do so many scientists recommend meditation? Have you ever done it? If you are not, so let's watch this episode. First of all, I want to talk about how to meditate. Meditation is easier than you think. You can meditate anywhere or anytime you want. And it's just awareness. We say that the essence of meditation is awareness. Awareness means you know what you are thinking, what you are feeling, and what you are doing. That is awareness, the knowingness. If you understand. Many people think meditation is something very difficult, like empty your mind, don't think of anything. No, this is a misunderstanding of meditation. To meditate, you don't have to do anything, like blocking thoughts, creating a special state of mind, or being peaceful and calm. No, there is no need for that. As you are aware of something and maintain that awareness, that is meditation. Of course, sometimes when we meditate like that, lots of thoughts pop up in our mind, like our to-do lists. I have to do something, I need to talk to that person, I have an important deadline, am I wasting my time, or how do I know if I'm doing this right or wrong? All these of thoughts may come, and it's normal. The first time I meditated, I had all of these things coming. Sometimes I was lost and completely forgot to listen to the sound, and then suddenly I remembered. Oh, and then forgot again. This is okay. There is no problem. You can try again, listen to sound, forget, listen to sound and forget. That sounds like meditation. Just please practice this when you go out or you just go to work. Just listen. You can listen to any sound. Just listen to sound anywhere and anytime. And it's really like you are living in the moment. And now let's go and immerse ourselves in the science and wonders of the world. For thousands of years, people had to practice meditation for spiritual, emotional, and physical well-being. But for a specific perspective, how exactly does the meditation affect your body? Does it really do anything? It all starts in your brain. During meditation, brain scans. Scientists understand increased activity in regions directly correlate with decreased anxiety and depression, along with increased pain tolerance. The default mood network, in particular, is activated when someone's mind is at rest and not focusing on the outside world, and has been found to improve memory, self-awareness, and goal setting. Want to be more caring to your friends and family? When scientists compared the brains of Buddhism's monks to new meditators, they found the region of the brain associated with empathy to be much more pronounced in the monks. It also literally changes your waves, and we can measure these frequencies. Meditators have higher levels of alpha waves, which have been shown to reduce feelings of negative mood, tension, sadness, or anger. And if that wasn't enough for you, so I should say, meditation also physically changes our brain, satisfying that after 8 weeks of a meditation program, The gray matter was more dense in areas associated with learning, memory processing, and emotion regulation. And yet, the amygdala, which deals with stress, blood pressure, and fear, had decreased gray matter. When we look at the entire body, not only do we see increased blood pressure, but it can also increase the variability of your heart rate. While this may sound harmful, it actually plays a critical role in properly transporting oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout your body. Think you are getting sick? In a study where both meditators and non-meditators given the flu virus, meditators were able to produce a greater number of antibodies and had increased immune function. If we go a little deeper, we can even see changes on a cell's level. Your chromosomes have protective protein complexes called telomeres, which help reduce damage to your DNA and lower cell death. A shortened telomere length has been linked to several diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and cancer. Amazingly, when cancer survivors completed a meditation program, their bodies showed significant increases in telomere length. It's believed that psychological intervention, particularly increasing stress, has a direct effect on the enzyme telomerase, which has been shown to counteract shortening by adding DNA to the shrinking telomeres. Of course, meditation is not a substitute for other medical advice or a healthy lifestyle. We don't want to leaving this video thinking it will cure cancer. But like hitting the gym can grow your muscles and increase your overall health, it seems that meditation may be a way of working out your brain with extra health benefits. And since your brain controls, well, all of you, why not relax and enjoy life? Thank you, all of you, to support and subscribe me. See you later.